Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, shloka number 10. Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi Suyate sacharacharam Suyate sacharacharam Suyate sacharacharam Hetunanena kaunteya Hetunanena kaunteya Hetunanena kaunteya Jagan viparivartate Jagan viparivartate Jagan viparivartate Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi Suyate sacharacharam Hetunanena kaunteya Jagan viparivartate Jagan viparivartate. Lord Sri Krishna said, this material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction. O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving beings. Under its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.